Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very simple, cute style on my sister. I'm using these extensions from betterlength.com. I love them, by the way. They blend in perfectly with most natural hair textures. I didn't leave any of her hair out in this video, but you definitely can leave some of your hair out, and I'm pretty sure it'll blend very easy if you're natural. All you have to do is just wet it or just bantu knot it or twist it or whatever you need to do to blend it in, but it should be very easy to blend in. It's really natural looking. So I did 3 really quick braids in the front of her head, and I did add the small ones in between. I was trying to do something simple but something cute still, and I'm sure you guys have seen this style before a million times, but I thought it would be really cute with something other than, you know, some long straight hair or some wavy hair. This hair looks way more natural, and honestly most people probably thought it was her real hair. These clip-ins are from betterlength.com. They are the Afro Kinky Curly texture in 18 inches. So in the back, I'm just gonna do her hair in a beehive. These braids do not have to be neat at all. This hair is designed to mimic 3C 4A hair, but it will definitely blend in with up to 4C hair, to be honest, because if your hair is really tight, all you have to do is just twist it or bantu knot it or something, you know, just to get it curly to blend in with the weave. And then you could always pick this hair out a little bit, make it a little bit frizzier. I personally would do that because I feel like it would blend in with my hair better, but yeah, this hair is great. It's very convenient because you do not need to use any heat to blend in your hair with it. I do plan on making a couple more videos with this hair, so stay tuned for that if you guys want to see some different ways to style it. I hope you enjoyed this little quick video, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye!